Hello, welcome to International Academy of Holistic Sciences. This is a new course, Jin Shin Jutsu Healer. It's an art of living, an art of knowing your body, and it gives you new points like acupressure points, but concept is totally quietly different from other acupressure points. Introduction to Jin Shin Jutsu. Do you want an easier therapy to manage your diseases? Are you tired of going to doctor for every small disease? You do not want to take medicines with lot of side effects. You do not wish to incur lot of expenditure on medicines. Do you wish to have a simple, economic, no side effect therapy to take care of you? So if answer is yes, then this is the course for you. What is Jinshin Jutsu? Jinshin Jutsu is the art of releasing tensions, which are the causes of various symptoms in the body. Our bodies contain several energy pathways that feed life into all our cells, like meridians as per the classical acupuncture. When one or more of these paths become blocked, this dampening effect may lead to discomfort or even pain. This blockage or stagnation will not only disrupt the local area but will continue and eventually disharmonize the complete path or paths of the energy flow. So you see, actually, energy systems, whatever those are, their main thing is there are some paths in our body in which energy flows. Somebody is calling them here they are calling them safety energy locks. Then there are pathways. Then there are chakras. Then there is meridians. Then there is aura. So like so many names have been given. But basically thing is energy is there, and when this energy is blocked, we get some kind of disorder in the body or mind. So there are 26 safety energy locations, also called safety energy locks, on the left and right side of the body. They act as friendly warning signs. One or more SCLs may lock when the energy gets blocked. The SCL in question feels tight when there is disharmony. By opening the appropriate SCL, energy can flow freely again. Each SCL is linked with some organ or disorder. To get the body part functioning, these locks have to be opened, which is done by simply touching the point. You will learn about these locks, where these are, their association with organs or disorder, and how to open them. There are simple self-help exercises which help you remain fit also. Some of the benefits of Jin Shin Jutsu are: it gives prompt relief from pain, induces relaxation, reduces the effects of stress, enhances sleep, decreases anxiety, increases circulation, improves concentration, reduces fatigue, enhances the immune system, improves the condition of skin, promotes regeneration, improves circulation and breathing, detoxifies. It contains topics such as, this course contains topics such as, there is only one booklet, not many lessons. So what is it covers? What is Jinshin Jutsu? Benefits of Jinshin Jutsu. What are safety energy locks? Their connection with body parts and disorders. How to open SCLs. An art of living. What is jumper cabling? What are its benefits physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually? Jinshin Jutsu and hands. Main central vertical flow and working on the points. Self-help daily fitness programs shortcut. 5 minutes hand exercises for instant energy boost and emotional balance. Jinshin Jutsu hand holds for calming emotions. Simple way to relieve pain. The power of holding thumb and fingers. which organ disorders are linked with which fingers. Another self-help maintenance program, harmonizing the attitudes. So these are some of the points covered, and it explains to you the concept of the Jin Shin Jutsu in its totality. I hope you will enjoy it when you enroll. Thank you.